to the week 10 assignment example video. This is the video where I give you the show you an example of what I'm looking for in the week 10 assignment. So let's get started. Okay, so for the week 10 assignment, the one page that you really need to focus on is the budgeting app page, because the home page is pretty much the same thing. It's just a blank page. So the budgeting app, this is the one that's going to contain your small little JavaScript application. So let's take a look at this. It's similar to the To-Do app in that you'll be entering data in these input fields. So we're going to go ahead and type in a description. So the way this is split out is you have this kind of input section up here that's got the input fields and these 4 buttons. You have a total section that keeps track of the totals of your income and expenses, and then shows you how much money you have remaining to spend for your budget. So let's go ahead and give you an example. So let's say you had paychecks coming in, you're making about $1,000 a week, so we'll add that as income. So I'm going to go ahead and add that for all 4 weeks there. So that's our income, our paycheck income for the month. When you enter that in, you want to add that as income, and you want it to appear here in the income section, as you saw there. So this clear input is going to clear that out so we can type everything in. That way that you don't have to go in there and manually delete the text you typed in for the income. So here we're going to do some expenses. So one thing is rent. Let's say it's $1,200, so we'll add that in expense. Again, you see it's appearing down here, rent and the money. So here you see the description, then a $sign, and then the amount appears there. Okay, I'm going to clear the input because now I want to type in my meals. Let's say I spend $800 a month on meals. That's an expense here. And you see as I'm clicking through here and adding expenses, it's adding up these expenses and putting it in here. And then it takes the income and subtracts the expenses, and we have what's remaining for the month. So I'm going to go ahead here and clear the input again. And the final thing I'm going to put on here is going to be, let's see, we did rent, meals. The other thing is utilities. And we're going to go ahead and put, let's say we spend $400 a month on utilities. Add that as an expense. And you see our expenses and how much is remaining shows up here. Okay, and I'll go ahead and remove that. The final thing we can do is we're going to actually go ahead, and if you select one of the check boxes, we put this checkbox here so that you can actually go ahead and remove the remove whatever's checked. So here we have this checkbox. We're going to remove this, and you see our income went down because now we're only getting 3 paychecks this month, not 4. And then the other thing is, let's say we didn't have to pay utilities. We can also remove it from here. And again, when we remove it, the totals automatically adjust up here. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm expecting from the budget app. Again, you can go ahead and replay this video just to see what I'm expecting, what these buttons are supposed to do, what's supposed to happen underneath. You can watch it multiple times to see what's expected. And again, if you also have any questions, you can reach out to me. Just send me an email, and I can schedule an office hours to kind of help you out if you get stuck. All right. Well, thank you, and until next time, we'll talk later. Thanks.